Take a look at this. This is a massive gas explosion in Martin County, Texas. That's in the western part of the state near Midland. That blast happened last night at the Sale Ranch gas plant. The sheriff's office says no one was hurt in this explosion. Crews are waiting for 12 to 14 miles of gas pipeline to clear so they can put out those flames. Let's get straight to breaking news at 6 o'clock. A man is dead after he was shot in the chest less than 2 hours ago in Shreveport. It's a busy scene along Harrison Street right now. That's where KSLA News 12's Miranda Whittington joins us live with an update. Miranda, do they have any suspects this morning? A quick update to breaking news this morning. Shreveport police are looking for tips into the city's latest deadly shooting. Now, police say a man was found dead on Harrison Street. This was just around 5 o'clock this morning. No arrests have been made. This is a live look at the scene right now. You can see there is still plenty of police tape that is up right now. They have that scene blocked off from people. You can see one officer there still looking for evidence on the ground. New video this morning outlines some of the destruction that's caused by Michael. Just take a look at this. You can see just metal shredded. Homes destroyed. This is actually a school. You can see this right here is the gym for, it looks like a Hornets high school right there. Volleyball net is basically the only thing standing. As sunlight approaches, we are getting our first look at damage in towns ravaged by Tropical Storm Michael. This includes this new video you see here. This is from Barbara County, Alabama. Ron, it's just fascinating to me to see the magnitude of the wind.
The wind.
Take a look at this. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 police officers right here. Another 6 here. Several, as you can see. Huge police presence right now in Bossier City. Look at this intense rescue right here. This was caught on camera. Whoa, watch that. You see that truck hitting that car right there? This was in Texas. You can see this officer was just pulling that woman to safety when that truck comes flying around the corner and hits her car right there. The woman had already been involved in a separate crash just minutes before that, as you can see. Right now in Central Texas, at least 2 deaths are blamed on catastrophic flooding this week. Just look at these rising waters. Flood warnings are still in effect for the counties here this morning in Texas. Authorities found a woman's body Wednesday in Llano County, one of the areas taken over by the swollen Llano River. Tuesday, officials found another body in the Colorado River. Those floodwaters swamped homes, wiped out a bridge, and forced mandatory evacuations. Now today, members with the Louisiana Fire Marshal's Office returned home. That's according to their official Facebook page. They've been assisting in the relief efforts, as you can see here in Florida at the Panhandle for the last 8 days. This was following Hurricane Michael. Now these pictures right here show just some of the work that they have been doing while they were there helping out. Meanwhile, the death toll from Hurricane Michael continues to rise at this hour. At least 32 deaths are blamed on the storm in Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, and Virginia. Roughly half of the confirmed deaths were in Bay County, Florida, where Michael landed as a Category 4 storm. People in that area are returning home hoping to rebuild. As we mentioned earlier in the newscast, we are with the Thomas family for our Waking Up My Day newscast, and I told you earlier about how Patrice had to make a decision. She had to move from her old apartment complex after she was broken into several times. Safety is a top concern for her, so we wanted to find some ways that not only can help Patrice, but others in case they're put into similar situations. We're coming in here to see Patrice, who has been, I'm telling you, since we walked in here, she has been hard at work this morning, washing dishes. It smells delicious in here. What are you cooking? It is 6:30. You can see traffic picking up along I-20 at Common Street. Take a look at this. You can barely see some of the headlights there in our sky cam because that is fog covering parts of the Arklatex. Along with this fog is also coming the heat. Ron, it feels more like a June 2nd day than an October 2nd.
You're right about that.